iOS 18.3 or iOS 18.4. So which one do you think it will be better version for iOS? So iOS 18.4 is yet to be released, and it's soon to be released onto your iOS settings. So systems. So let's find out that iOS 18.4 introduces several enhancements over iOS 18.3, including Apple Intelligence, Photos app, ambient music, as well as visual intelligence. However, some users expressed concerns about Safari's new layout in iOS 18.4, which prominently displays recent search history, potentially leading to privacy issues. Overall, iOS 18.4 offers valuable improvements, but it's advisable to review changes to ensure they align with your preferences. While 18.3 Judge highlights stable and optimized performance with fewer experimental features, improved security patches, and bug fixes, Siri enhancements, but without major AI driven improvements, no major changes to Photo app or Safari. So that's for the comparison, guys. Now you decide which do you think is the better for iOS. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.